guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I'm packing with me on my trip to France. I am seriously so excited. If you guys want, you should definitely hit that subscribe button down below so you can get notified the next time I upload. I recently shared a what I got for Christmas video. I will insert the card in case you guys want to check it out, but in that video I mentioned how I am traveling to France, and I realized I didn't really get to tell you guys much about it. It was a very last minute kind of thing. So my best friend Maylise is in France studying abroad right now. We're both on winter break, and it just kind of worked out, and she's like, do you want to come to France? And I was like, okay. And I went to France with her 2 years ago because her family's from France, so it just is like a really fun situation. And I'm going to be there for like 16 days. It's a little over 2 weeks. And last time I went, it was in the spring, summer, and I packed just a carry-on in my backpack, and I was like, I want to do that again because it makes it so simple to travel. Like, you don't have to check a bag or anything. But then it dawned on me, I'm like, it's winter, and winter clothes are a lot bigger and bulkier than summertime clothes, but I made it a challenge. I still think I can pack 16 different outfits using just a carry-on, and I think I managed to do it. So I'm excited. I'm going to share with you guys what I'm bringing, where everything's from, and then how I pack it up as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys do, and let me know in the comments down below where your dream place to travel is, because honestly going to France is one of my biggest dreams and I love it. I'm so excited and I'm so beyond grateful. But I'm just going to share with you guys what I'm bringing, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I mentioned, it is pretty chilly. It's like winter time. So the first thing, I'm bringing this black and white scarf. I just figured this would go with everything. I have no idea where this is from. It's honestly one of my mom's scarves, and it's just like a wool scarf, so it'll be super warm. Then I have my little beanie, which is from Amazon, and my favorite mittens that I got at Walmart. And a lot of these pieces are very neutral. They don't have a lot of prints or designs on them, just because I want to mix and match the best that I can, so that way I have more outfits to wear, since I didn't pack as much as I did when I went last time. And I am going to be there for New Year's Eve, and we're going out, so I packed 2 New Year's Eve's outfits, and of course Maylise can borrow one if she wants. So the first top is from J. Crew. It's my favorite sequin top. I love it. It's so sparkly. And then I also packed this top, which I got from Shein. I picked this up for New Year's. It's like a bodysuit, and then it just has these little sleeves with little stars on them, which I just thought would be perfect for New Year's, with my favorite skirt for going out in. It's like a skirt. It has shorts underneath, and it's just black. It's very flattering, and it's just like a really fun outfit to wear out. Then I also am bringing Maylise's jacket that she left here. I like went to her house and picked it up for her. And then on to like more regular clothes. So I have this long sleeve polo. This is great for layering. Again, it's just like a nice simple color. And then I also packed the same one but in black, and this is from Lacoste. I love those. They're just so comfy. And then I packed this navy t-shirt that is from J. Crew. These are their vintage cotton tees, and they're my absolute fave. And I also am packing a simple white t-shirt. This one's from Gap. It's just the Favorite Crew, which are so soft. And then I packed a few sweaters, and this one is from Lacoste as well. It's just like a nice gray long sleeve sweater, which again will just be great for layering. Turtleneck, that is from J. Crew. It's so snug fitting. It looks great by itself, or you can layer it underneath. I also am packing this little button up short sleeve. I love wearing this underneath things, but it also looks very chic and cute and preppy. And then I packed my favorite sweater. This is from Ralph Lauren. It's just like a cable knit pink sweater. I went with a lot of neutral colors, but of course I had to add a splash of pink since it's my favorite color. Another turtleneck, since I think we might be going skiing and it's just going to be like winter, so I want to stay warm. And this is just like a wool turtleneck. And then of course I had to bring my little, I think these are called like yoke sweaters. It has like this really cute design on the top. This is from like a shop. It's from like a little boutique. I have no idea where it's from, but super cute. Those are all the tops that I'm bringing, and then I have a few pairs of pants. So the first ones are my J. Crew chino pants. These are seriously so flattering, so cute, and they're just like a nice khaki gray color. I have 2 pairs of leggings. These are from Nike, and then I just have a pair of the Lululemon Align leggings, which I think will be great for layering underneath jeans in case it gets really chilly. And then I'm just going to be bringing my black high-waisted Abercrombie jeans along with my ripped up denim, like the distressed high-waisted jeans from Abercrombie. And then I'm just going to wear a pair of dark wash jeans on the plane with a turtleneck to kind of have another outfit. And then for shoes, I'm bringing my New Balance sneakers. I brought these with me when I went to France last time. They're so comfy, great for walking, and they're just like a really casual sneaker, along with these little navy rain boots from Just Fab. And then of course my little Just Fab heels for when we go out. And when I'm traveling, I'm going to be wearing my Eastland, so I'll have these with me as well. And then I have my winter coat, and this is from Shein. It's like a little brown trench coat pea coat, and I'm going to be wearing a black winter coat on the flight, so I'll have that. I really want to bring this coat with me. It's my little white jacket. It's cropped. It's so flattering. It's so cute and so snuggly, from Shein, but I'm like not sure if it'll fit in my luggage. And then I have my swimsuit, my undergarments, and then my PJs that I just got are gonna go with me. But that is everything that's gonna be in my luggage. So I'm gonna show you guys how to pack that up. And then in my carry-on, I'm just gonna have like my laptop, my flat iron, hair products, and like my makeup, which are already packed. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna pack up my luggage. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. I would love it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below and let me know in the comments down below where your dream place to travel is, because I think that'd be so much fun, and I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. And I just hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys.